Starting on YouTube can be really tough. Most people don't even know what to record, and those who do aren't getting the views that they need to keep the channel profitable. Don't worry, in this video, I will share with you an incredible way to make money off of YouTube Shorts, in a way that you've never imagined before. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us begin. What you'll need. For this method, you won't be needing any sort of costly camera or computer equipment, and you won't even have to spend hours and hours editing. My point is, this is not hard, and anyone can accomplish this from anywhere. By the end of this video, you'll know how to earn 7 times more money with your YouTube Shorts channel. I've been receiving a lot of queries regarding whether or not you can monetize YouTube Shorts. Now, YouTube recently announced that they would reward its YouTube Shorts creators with a $100 million fund, which is already being distributed to individuals. And they're now earning a fortune from their YouTube Shorts. Not only that, but they also profit from many monetization tactics that I will teach you today. Compared to other channels, what exactly are we going to do? Well, have a look at this video. We will simply be finding copyright-free videos like these, compiling them, and uploading them. Finding these videos isn't the hard part. We'll just take other people's videos and re-upload them on YouTube in a fair use manner. And that is how you will earn money. If you're wondering how many people are viewing kids' material on YouTube, have a peek at this channel called Everyone's Toy Club. As you can see, they hit 25 million views in the previous 30 days. Taking a look at their content, you can see that it's extremely basic. No special effects, no expert level video editing, just some basic gameplay footage. And it is racking them $1 million yearly. My point of showing you this channel is that you can also achieve this level of success and riches with a simple style of content. Now let's take a look at this channel, which we will be directly competing with. The name is Mischievous Baby. They only have 60,000 subs of the making of this video, but have a massive 514 million views on all their videos combined, which is insane to think about. What these guys are doing now is making compilations. It's all quite straightforward, right? Now I'd like to reveal a small secret that they're most likely keeping from their competition. Check this out. Just open up their description and click on our merch link. You will be sent to this website. And as you can see, they have some pretty adorable baby outfits that you can get straight from them. You may be asking how much money they will gain through merch in comparison to AdSense. In all honesty, AdSense on YouTube Shorts is a pretty minuscule of money, so they're probably earning the bulk of their money from selling items like this. Step 1. Now we need to replicate this success. And I'll teach you how to accomplish it all step by step in this video. Step 1 is to find adorable videos of babies. And we can pretty much take their videos and use them since they also don't have the license for it. So it is free use. But you need to find other royalty-free videos from other sources as well, just to keep your channel interesting. We will also have to add this line, or something similar, in the description of our videos. If there are any copyright concerns with the videos that have been uploaded, I will delete them. Please contact my email at this@email.com. Step 2. I think most of you know how to download a YouTube video, but if you don't, just look up YouTube to MP4 and you should be good to go. Now the next step is to visit canva.com. This will be our free video editor. All you need to do is get the download video in here, cut it to individual parts, and compile it in a different way, adding or subtracting clips that you prefer. We do this to differentiate our work from other videos. Keep this open in the background while we move on to the third step, which is to visit teespring.com. Step 3. This is where you can create a ton of great merchandise. For example, bags, totes, masks, backpacks, and everything else you can think of can be made right here on Teespring. You don't even need a warehouse or inventory to get started. They will do everything for you. So simply go to the top and click on the Start the Sign Up Right Here button. Now that you're inside, just search for children to get some inspiration for what sort of merch is hot right now and what sort of merch you're going to sell. Here you will see the premium tee, the traditional kids hoodie, some neck item or a mask, and the list goes on. Now that you have an idea about what you want to design, head on over to freepik.com. Step 4. This is where you can find royalty-free designs to use on your merch. All you need to do is to just slap them on and boom, you're done. Look up some keywords like kids or children, and you will be presented with tons of resources to utilize on your t-shirt designs. Take your time and find the right one for your merch. If you're good at Photoshop, you can always make some designs yourself. Once you've found the best designs, simply click on Download and then Free Download. This is where we head back to the Teespring to finally design our merch. Step 5. Teespring has its own designing interface. Just head on over to it and slap on your design on your t-shirt, hoodie, whatever. Once you're done, put the pricing somewhere from $22 to $30. This will result in a far greater profit when you sell them after your short channel takes off. Now, you're going to want to screenshot all of the designs you made. I want you to do this because you can upload these images along with the videos at the end of your short, and people will be redirected to your Teespring store. Step 6. Now let's take those screenshots and paste them all into Canva. I'm going to post them all at the same time. Now adjust the size to your liking, make it a bit larger or a bit smaller. It's all up to you. Next, let's add some text. To do that, look into the text section on the left of your screen in the Canva editing software. Pick some font that stands out against your background and looks really amazing in general. Simple text doesn't look great on its own, so let's animate it. In the upper right corner, click Animate. Pick something that complements your merch or anything else that adds to the awesome factor. You can now play around with the timing because you don't want half of your short to be self-advertisement. People hate that kind of thing. A 5-second interval at the end should be great. Step 7. So we have a video now, but it's missing something, isn't it? Yes, we need to add in some audio to make this video perfect. To do that, you need to visit the YouTube audio library. There are hundreds of songs available here that are absolutely copyright free. All you have to do now is click on this tiny button right here, then Genre. Then want to click on Children's, which will bring you a plethora of children's music. You might need to have a listen to a couple of these before you can decide on the perfect song. But that time will be well worth it. Once you have the song you need, all you have to do is click the download button at the bottom here. Return to Canva, and we'll put that music right in here. And with that, your video is complete and ready to be uploaded. So download this video and let's head on over to YouTube. Step 8. Now that you're here, choose Create and Upload Video. Once uploaded, it will ask you for a description, and you can easily write it by referencing your competition. Also, and this is very important, return to Teespring where you may find your shop. So copy this URL, go back to YouTube, and add Order Our Cutest Child merch here, and put your link right next to it. We should also add that the stuff about it not being our video because we want to keep under fair use. We don't want any issues with copyright. An example could be, I don't own any of the content used in this video, but if there are any copyright issues, let us know at the email address. Obviously, you shouldn't just take this as is. You should add something unique to make it stand out. The next step is to visit TubeBuddy.com. This website is a Chrome plugin that will help you gain more views much quicker since it has SEO and keyword research built in. So after you've downloaded the free Chrome extension, try to gauge what the cute video is exactly about. Once you know that, you can enter the keyword in TubeBuddy.com, and it should give you a lot of supporting keywords to use. So go down here and choose Keyword Explorer. You're going to look for something like cute baby or adorable baby here. You'll see a lot of other keywords here now. Just keep them and paste them onto the description of your current video. Okay, now we'll have all of these incredibly fantastic keywords to help you obtain even more search ranks and views quicker. And that is all there is to it. What I recommend is that you have some short videos and some longer actual YouTube videos. And this will be all from me, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.